Today, we are going to create something completely new and amazing. First, look at this channel. It creates videos in this style, and as you can see, one of the videos has more than 705k views. These types of videos are growing very fast right now because this is new style. The channel looks very professional, and the most interesting thing is that it has uploaded only 29 videos but already has more than 6.22k subscribers. The channel was created on March 11th, and you can clearly see how fast it is growing. The videos are simple but highly engaging, and you can also create videos exactly like these. Now the big question is this channel monetized or not? Yes, it is monetized. You just need to copy the channel link and paste it into YouTube's Social Blade. As soon as you paste the link, you can see that the channel is monetized and its estimated income is around 2.8k per month. Yes, you can also create a channel like this easily. And one more important thing, this channel is in Hindi, but if you create the same type of channel in English, your RPM and CPM will be much higher, which means you can earn even more money. In this video, I will teach you step by step how to create this type of English AI channel completely for free. Yes, we will create everything for free, including images, scripts, voiceover, and videos. So let's start and see how we can create these amazing AI videos for free. Before we start, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thanks, and now let's get started. When you open ChatGPT, first copy the Part 1 prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The prompt says, "I'll send you my channel link. Please check it because I want to make videos like that." After pasting the green scene prompt, ChatGPT will analyze the channel, understand the video style, and ask for the channel link. Then go to YouTube and copy the link of the channel whose videos you want to create. For example, if the channel is in Hindi, you can create the same videos in English because English videos usually have higher RPM and CPM, which means better earnings. Paste the channel link in ChatGPT and write, "I want to create these videos in English." After that, ChatGPT will analyze everything and prepare the content for you. Next, you will get multiple prompts and forms. Choose any prompt you like. For example, if you want to create a 30-35 second short video, copy the red prompt and then copy the green scene section and paste it into the same prompt. Once you paste the full prompt, ChatGPT will carefully analyze it and generate viral video titles, scene ideas, image prompts, full English voiceover scripts, storylines, and complete video structures. For example, if the topic is mosquitoes, ChatGPT can create a full educational story explaining mosquito dangers, diseases caused by mosquitoes, safety tips, and engaging scenes for viewers. Then you can write, "Now give me a small script story," and ChatGPT will generate the full script. Now you will have image prompts, video scenes, voiceover scripts, titles, and storylines all ready. For creating images, one of the best free websites is Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI, click on Image Creation, select the Phoenix 1.0 model, choose the 9:16 size for shorts and reels, then copy image prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Your first image will start generating. Keep copying each image prompt from ChatGPT and paste them one by one into Leonardo AI. This way, all your images will be generated in the same cinematic style. You can create animal stories, horror shorts, educational videos, emotional stories, motivational shorts, and facts videos. Now, your images are ready. Next, for creating free AI videos, we will use 2 free AI tools. First website is called Digen.ai. It is a very amazing AI website. It gives you 300 credits at the start, with which you can create around 10 videos. After that, it also gives you daily credits, so you can easily keep creating AI videos. Right now, you can see I have 4,400 plus credits because my account has been logged in for many days. That's why I have a lot of credits and I can make many videos on it. If you want to create a lot of AI videos, then Digen.ai is a very good option for you. Its benefit is that even if you don't use it for some time, it still keeps giving you daily credits automatically, just like in my account. On this website, you can easily create AI videos. It is a very good platform called Digen.ai. To make a video, first click on Create, then go to the Upload section and upload your image. After that, paste the first prompt related to image 1 and click on Generate. The video creation will start automatically. Then you can upload another image for image 2 and again paste the prompt for that image. In this way, you can create a complete video step by step. The platform may take some time, but it allows you to create high-quality AI videos easily. You can even make 10 to 15-minute long videos using this method. The second website for creating AI videos is also very popular. Just go to Google and search for flowlabs.ai and open the website. Then click on Create with Flow. The best thing about this platform is that it provides daily free credits. At the start, you get around 150 free credits, and after that, you receive 50 free credits every day. You can also use different email accounts to get more free credits and create additional videos. Now, simply copy your prompts from ChatGPT, choose the video size and settings, and paste the prompts into the project. As soon as you paste the prompt, the AI video generation will start automatically. You can also repeat the process by copying another prompt and pasting it to generate another video. In this way, you can easily create multiple AI videos for free. The best part is that the final video quality is very high and looks professional and impressive. If you want to create high-quality AI voiceovers, you can use lovo.ai. It is a very powerful website for generating professional AI voices. I have already created a full course about this platform in my previous videos. You can visit my YouTube channel and watch those videos to learn step by step how to create AI voiceovers using it. Now, I will show you how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into cinematic AI videos easily. For editing, I will be using CapCut. It is one of the best video editing tools available because it is simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. Just import your AI video clips and voiceover into CapCut and start editing professionally. CapCut offers amazing features such as transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here, I will add professional effects, sync the voiceover with the visuals, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can now watch the final result. Thanks for watching.